What's the meaning of canvas? Canvas. Canvas.
Canvas. Canvas. Canvas generally refers to a piece of fabric or material used for painting or drawing. In the context of digital design, canvas refers to the virtual workspace where designers create and manipulate visual elements. It can also refer to the HTML5 canvas element, which is a popular tool used in web development to draw graphics on a web page using JavaScript. The canvas element is essentially a container that can hold various visual elements, such as shapes, lines, and images, and can be manipulated using JavaScript to produce interactive and dynamic effects.